For 3 years, I struggled on YouTube. I couldn't make money. I couldn't get any views. I couldn't get any subscribers. But then I learned this one simple method used by Ryan Trahan and Mr. Beast. So most creators on YouTube, when they're creating a video, this was me a few years ago as well, first they'll find a video idea, then they'll create the video, edit the video, and just before they actually post the video, they'll quickly create a title and thumbnail and then post the video. Now, if you create your videos first and then create your title and thumbnail last, this is the wrong way to make a YouTube video. Now, if you make your videos like this, you might get a decent average view duration, but you probably get a low click-through rate on that video. The reason for this is because you haven't spent a lot of time on your title and thumbnail. When people are scrolling on YouTube, if they look at your title and thumbnail and it's not a good title and thumbnail, they're probably not going to click, which will lead to a low click-through rate on your video, which means you will definitely get low views on that video. I created videos like this on YouTube for years. I created the thumbnail first, and then I would create the title and thumbnail last, and I typically would get low views. But then I tried this new formula used by Ryan Trahan, Ali Abdaal, and Mr. Beast. And what I started doing is collecting tons of thumbnail ideas. I would go to different channels with high performing videos, collect tons of thumbnail ideas from their channel. Then I would emulate the best ideas, create the title and thumbnail first, and then I would create the video last. And by doing this, I was able to get a ton more views, a ton more subscribers, and I was able to make $107,000 on a brand new channel. Just to let you know, guys, if you're a creator or a business wanting to learn how to grow your business on YouTube, I've got a link in the description. It's a free video for you to check out. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Now, in terms of titles and thumbnails, this is one of the key factors of Mr. Beast's success on YouTube. Mr. Beast himself, he has a famous quote, and he says, "If no one clicks, no one watches." And this is so true, guys. It doesn't matter how much effort you put into a YouTube video. It doesn't matter how much editing you do. It doesn't matter how amazing the idea is. If nobody clicks on that video, nobody is going to see it. Now, if you want to get more views and more subscribers and make more money on YouTube, you need to stop making videos like this, creating the video first and making the title and thumbnail second, and you need to start doing it the correct way, which is create the title and thumbnail first and then create the video last. This will allow you to get a higher click-through rate, which will lead to you getting more views on your videos. Now, just to simplify this, guys, click-through rate equals views, and a higher click-through rate equals higher views. So by focusing on titles and thumbnails first and creating your videos last, this will allow you to get more views and more subscribers and make more money on YouTube. Now, Mr. Beast's manager, he actually shared their entire process for creating titles and thumbnails. Now, as a business owner or a creator, you don't have to put this much effort into your titles and thumbnails, but it just goes to show you need to put more effort into your titles and thumbnails, and this is the kind of effort that big creators on YouTube are putting in there. Mr. Beast actually spends $10,000 for 3 thumbnails on his channel. This is how they create the thumbnails. They create a sketch first, and then they create the final thumbnail design like this. So if you don't know where to start in terms of coming up with good ideas for titles and thumbnails and topics, I've created this video on the screen to help you out. But anyway, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Peace out. I'll talk to you soon.